In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you're looking to capture accurate meeting notes without lifting a finger, Otter's Note Taker can join your Microsoft Teams calls and transcribe in real time. I'll show you 3 ways to do it, starting with the most seamless option and moving to more manual approaches. As always, be sure you have permission to record before using any transcription tool. First, the recommended method is automatic integration via calendar sync. Sign in to your Otter account on the web or mobile app. In Otter, open the Apps section from the left-hand menu, then scroll to connect calendars and contacts and select Add Next to Microsoft. When prompted, sign into your Microsoft account and grant the necessary permissions so Otter can read your calendar and join meetings on your behalf. Once connected, your Microsoft Teams calendar events will appear on your Otter homepage. You can then configure Otter to automatically join any event that includes a Teams meeting link. On meeting day, the Otter Note Taker will join as a participant, typically showing your first name followed by Note Taker, Otter.ai. It will transcribe the conversation live, so you can focus on the discussion rather than note-taking. If you prefer more control, or you're jumping into an ad hoc call, you can manually add Otter to a meeting. Open your Teams meeting invitation and copy the full meeting URL. Make sure the link you copy includes any embedded passcode or parameters, since Otter needs those details to enter the meeting. Head to your Otter homepage, paste that URL into the field labeled Paste Meeting URL to record, and select Record or press Enter. Otter will join your Teams call shortly and begin transcribing. Finally, if you don't want an AI agent to appear in the participant list, you can use Otter separately with no integration. Join your Teams meeting as you normally would on your computer, and ensure audio plays through your speakers with the volume up. Open the Otter mobile app or a separate browser tab with the Otter web app, and click Record when the meeting starts. For the clearest capture, avoid using a headset and, if you're recording from your phone, place it close to your computer's speaker. No matter which method you choose, Otter will save the transcript, summary, and action items in your My Conversations list after the meeting. From there, you can review, edit, and share the notes with your team. Use Calendar Sync for the most hands-off experience, the manual link for quick, one-off calls, or the separate recording method when you want Otter working quietly in the background. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.